How do you replace the rear pivot arm, part number NNN-NNN-NNN on a Toro 20332 lawnmower? It is threaded on but I cannot budge it loose. Is there something else? Thanks.
Hello, tilt the mower on its side. If it is the air filter side, remove the filter first so gas and oil doesn't ruin it. Check for nuts on the underside of the deck, and if there are nuts, spray some lube on them all. Here is a couple pages from a manual I have. Pivot arm.
Thanks for the information. In looking at my mower, it is slightly different than what is in the pictures. Mine isn't a single speed but one of those walk at your own pace models, Toro 20332 SN, XXXXXXXXX, if that makes a difference. There isn't a retaining ring holding the assy on. It appears to me that the pivot arm just screws onto the other piece. I have removed the entire assy and will try again.
20,332. Here is a parts breakdown of your mower. Go to page 8. You are correct, it does screw on to ref number 5 part #NNN-NNN-NNN. You need to remove the wheel, the retainer ring and the drive gear first. Then remove the 4 screws in the black piece to pull the complete adjuster and bracket off so you can put a socket on it and hold the pivot arm to unscrew it.
Okay, I was able to get it removed finally. I need a few more parts but my original issue has been resolved. Thanks. Rick.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.